You all, look, I bought this 1980 barbecue grill. It is cast iron, and guess how much it costs? $9.99. So I've been Googling it, and I saw it for $79.99. Of course, that's on old school eBay. But I am going to unbox it. I am going to figure out if it works just as good as the new ones. So look, you all, I opened up the box, and it was a box inside of a box. Wow, that kind of threw me off. So as I unwrapped it and I took the box out, look at this. It looked like it is from like the 1950s. The box is even like stained a little bit. So nonetheless, it is extremely heavy. It is extremely heavy. So as I work with it, you all, you know, I kind of toss it around, but it is heavy. So I'm going to open this box right here. Yep, it looked like it's been through some things. So let me go ahead and take this out right here. Slide it on out. Okay, nothing else is in the box. Put this back in there. See what we got here. Son of Hibachi. Hibachi. Go ahead and cut this open, you all. I'm gonna get rid of this paper. Get rid of it. Slide this off. Now, I'm not gonna read the directions. I'm just gonna go right in. I'm gonna just explore. So bear with me, you all. Gonna take all of this out. Take all the accessories out. This is the ashtray. This right here serves two purposes. Gonna open this up. There's the grates. All cast iron, you all. All cast iron. I really just got it because I saw it and I thought it was pretty cool. Simple instructions. Well, so much with that. Throw that aside. Let's go. So this ash trap slides right underneath the apparatus. The grates are removable. They are adjustable up to 4 levels. It's not made to spin like that, you all. It collapses closed, but I'm going to try to figure out how to adjust it where it collapses. Let me relocate over here real quick. Relocate over here. Gonna prop these directions up just for filming purposes. Let's see. Alright. So these are the legs. There's 4 legs. 2 go on the outside, 2 go on the inside. I'm not sure which is which. I haven't really looked at them. At first sight, it looks as though all 4 are the same. But in reality, there are 2 alike. And I need to find out which ones go on the outside. Let's see. No. Wait. No. Let me see. Nope. Let me see what we have here. Oh, okay. So these go on the outside because they have little prongs that stick in. Okay. I see. Let's go ahead and flip this over. Let's get the other one. These also serve as the carrying handles. Wow, this sucker is heavy. Wow. Okay. So the other 2 are the legs for the inside to kind of hold it. It's the inside legs. Let me see, where does these... Oh, there's holes on the bottom. Let's go ahead and slide these in. That's done. Okay. Let's push those in nice and tight. flip her over here. Oops. Okay, flip it around. So let me pull these legs up so it's more stable. Wow. It's extremely sturdy. You know cast iron is good. Slide this in. Oops. I got this one backwards. Yep. Okay. Done with that. Take these off. Let's go ahead and put this coal in here. Gonna put a little bit on this side over here as well. Spread her out. Like I really know what I'm doing. I really do, you all. This is my third grill actually. So with this, before I close it up, I need to put the grates on the lowest rack because this is gonna hold the coals in place, because when I light this grill, I need to close it all the way up first. Once I close it up, then this right here slides across the top to keep it together. If I can figure out which side slides in. Boom, there we go. All right, so the ash trap at the end, I need to pull that out, and I'm gonna light it underneath there because the charcoals kind of like fell to the bottom, but they're being held in place by the grates. This is pretty cool, you all. Go ahead and light that. Now that's the grill that I'm grilling on. I'm actually grilling on that. I'm gonna take some of those coals and that one. I'm gonna take some of those coals and transfer them in here, so that way I don't have to use any fluid because I'm already grilling. So let's go ahead and take this back off. It definitely is fast starting. So the coals started burning on their own, and what I'm gonna do is I need to figure out how to use this contraption. I did pull out the directions, and it said that this same tool actually removes the grate, but I'm trying to figure out how to do it. It said it hooks on. Does it hook on the side? There's a hook at the end. Maybe I have to, ooh, okay. Okay, so I slide that in the back, and it just pulls it right off. Okay. And I'm gonna actually raise it up a little bit on this side as well. I'm gonna spread the coals. You all please comment. Let me know if you all like to grill, what type of grill you all like to use. Do you have a portable grill? Tabletop grill? I know we always have our big grills, but do you own a small one for any reason, whether you're going to the beach or whether you're going to an outing? Or maybe you just don't have as much to cook. So if so, drop a comment below. Thank you all for looking. All the subscribers, I really appreciate you all. Alright, so I prepared some asparagus, and I'm going to actually just set this entire tray on there. Just let it smoke. I'm not in a rush. I'm still waiting for the other food to cook. I'm just playing around, experimenting, and I also prepped some fish. So I have some Alaskan pollock that I have. There's 4 pieces. I'm gonna season this up with my favorite seasoning, which is the garlic and onion. So it's not that much sodium in it. So I am good on that. I'm just gonna go ahead and let this kind of cook. Let this flavor soak in. See, remember I had said that I need to get some coals. So I went and grabbed some coal from the other grill to put in here to kind of ignite this fire a little bit more. I'm gonna evenly distribute them on both sides real quick. Wait, let me put one more in here. What'd you all do today? Let me know what you did today. Today was pretty decent for me. And I'm gonna distribute some over here. It's about I want to say 85, 86 degrees today, so it's like the perfect day to just do some grilling. You know, when you grill, you could mess around with some different techniques. All right, slide this back in. Oops, that was stuck. Okay, put the ashtray back in. Slide the asparagus. Ooh, it's hot. I don't know why we always gotta use our hand. Check on that. I'm gonna use foil because I don't want the fish to stick. So I'm gonna keep it in foil. Thank you all.